Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Elementor page builder in WordPress. Elementor is a fantastic tool that empowers you to design beautiful websites with incredible ease. It operates on a simple drag-and-drop principle, meaning you can visually construct your pages without writing a single line of code. This makes website creation accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned developers. You gain complete control over your site's appearance, allowing for truly unique and professional results. Let's dive in and see how it works. Getting started with Elementor is quite straightforward. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then head over to the Plugins section. Search for Elementor and click Install Now. Once the installation finishes, make sure to click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, you will find a new Edit with Elementor button when creating or editing any page or post. This button is your gateway to the visual builder, ready for you to start designing. Once inside the Elementor editor, you will see a live preview of your page on the right and a panel of tools on the left. The core of Elementor is its drag-and-drop functionality. Simply select a widget, such as a heading, image, or button, and drag it onto your page. The left panel then allows you to customize every aspect of that element, from its text and colors to its size and positioning. You can also organize your content using sections and columns, providing a robust framework for your design. To truly elevate your website, consider exploring Elementor Pro, which offers over 100 additional widgets and advanced features like theme building. You can also leverage Elementor's extensive library of pre-designed templates and blocks. These are fantastic for quickly launching new pages or sections, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, Elementor provides robust responsive design controls, allowing you to fine-tune how your content appears on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, ensuring a flawless user experience across all devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.